brought to the police station, our volunteers and me also, we were taken to the hospital for medicals. We were tested. We gave a alcohol test also. X-rays of both of my volunteers were done. One of the hand, that was Mary's hand, was X-ray was done, and Alban's neck. Where the next day they were called for a checkup, and the report was given to them. It was found that Mary had a fracture with that incident, and he's been admitted, and till the date he's there. So this is the complaint which we have now brought forth to the police, to the PI, and he has not even, it looks like he has not even taken action, neither he's been bothered about it. And let's see now what he does, as we have already requested him again to speed up the process and to look into this matter, because it's a severe matter where these goons are really have not learned a lesson. So this is a high time they learn a lesson.
तो जे भाशेन हो रिपोर्ट काल 26 तारखे दनपार येयल्लो आनी द पुलीस स्टेशन शुड हॅव गॉट दी हर्ट रिपोर्ट आनी दे शुड हॅव ऑलरेडी टेकन एक्शन येस्टरडे कित्याक जेन्ना एक भुरग्याक गेलो फ्रॅक्चर जाला आनी तो आज अजून पसून थिंगा हॉस्पिटलांत आहा, काल रातभर तो हॉस्पिटलांत आसलो. सो पुलिशेन अजून एक्शन घेयलें ना. ते एक्शन घेयलें ना तें चोयन आज परत आमी एक कंप्लेन हाडला आनी ते कंप्लेन इन ऑर्डर टू डिमांड दी अरेस्ट ऑफ द टू पर्सन्स हू हॅव असॉल्टेड देम. हे म्हूण परत एक कंप्लेन घायला. वी हॅव अटॅच ऑल द डॉक्युमेंट्स अँड वी डिमांड द कॉप्स टू फायनली टेक एक्शन अँड गो अँड अरेस्ट दीज पीपल, बिकॉज राईट नाव this is an offense, there is a fracture, and I think action has to come up immediately.